Scarlett na! Baby, sana naman ang gala mo. This is our last gala here in San Francisco. We are now at Palace of the Fine Arts! There you go sa likod! Alam niyo ba kung fan kayo ng Jaden before, dito sinut ang On the Wings of Love. Scarlett la. Uy! Look, oh. Ang ganda-ganda. Papunta tayo ngayon ng Golden Gate Bridge for the closer look. Say hi, Scarlett! Baby! This is our last gala here in San Francisco at pupunta tayo ng Palace of the Fine Arts. Hi, Scarlett! Medyo maaraw na ngayon. Masakit ang araw pero malamig ang hangin. We are now waiting sa Uber and Uber is life habang wala pa tayong kotse dito sa US. Bibili ba tayo ng car, anak? Bibili pa tayo? May pambili ba tayo ng car, anak? Wala pa. Sleepyhead ang bebe. Happy New Year! It's a good weather today.
I don't want to work, and that's for that much information. And that's it. This is the building.
We are now at Palace of the Fine Arts! There you go sa likod! Tara, pasukin natin yung ganda ng Palace of the Fine Arts. Sabi ko sa Yuhan, maganda rito pumunta kapag maaraw eh. Tingnan mo.
Perfect.
Wee, ganda oh. Wow, amazed na amazed si Scarlett. Actually, kakagising lang niya. Pero nag-enjoy na siya sa labas. Ang dami niya napapansing tao. Wee, ang lamig ng hangin, Scarlett. Iwan na namin ng daddy doon, no? Kami ni Scarlett na mamasyal na. Let's go!
Scarlett.
Oh, they're filters. There's like a little button.
Wow.
Come on.
Baby.
There's no mama.
Mama. Ah. Scarlett.
I'm just like.
Ah. Ah. Grabe, ang ganda dito guys. So hard. Scarlett, look mo, ang ganda guys. Ganda dito dito yun.
Yes.
It's something.
Alam niyo ba kung fan kayo ng Jaden before, dito sinut ang On the Wings of Love. Pakita ko sa inyo mismo yung spot kung saan sinut yon. Oh, napakaganda dito guys. Super. It's a must bucket list kapag pumunta kayo dito na San Francisco, daanan nyo ito. Ay, naantok mo, Scarlett. Magpipicture-picture pa tayo, bebe. Oh. Scarlett! La... Uy! Ay! Nakalunod? Tanggal?
It's okay, it's okay. Natanggal.
She spit it. She spit it.
Yeah, yeah. Good job.
Row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! There, ducks. What's the sound of the duck? Quack quack. Quack quack. Quack quack. Quack quack. Where's the bird? Where? Did you see the bird? Where? Look up the sky. Nabili sa ano, duck. Where's ducks? Look at the ducks, baby. Scarlet. Daming ducks. Quack, quack. What's the sound of the duck, baby? Quack, quack.
Scarlett!
Look at that. Duck.
Scarlett!
Quack.
Scarlett!
Ayaw ka pansinin, gusto sa ducks. Enjoy siya yun. Ducks?
Enjoy si Scarlett sa ducks. Daming ducks, oh. Scarlett!
Let's go.
Say hello, hi.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Hi, bye. Hello, hi, bye.
Say hello, hi.
Are you local or
We're from the Philippines.
Yeah, from the Philippines, yeah.
came for about a week or two to holidays here?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we're from LA,
Oh,
so
you're from
we we just got here last year from the Philippines. Now we're visiting her cousin here in San
San Francisco.
Francisco.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's nice. You got quite a lot of relatives in USA?
Yeah, because
Yeah.
That's nice.
she's a bit sleepy.
Yeah. She's enjoying herself.
Yubi, bye-bye! I think guys, ito yung spot kung saan sinut yung On the Wings of Love. Dito, yung nagpipiknik sila. It's sunny day! Mainit ng araw, pero malamig ang hangin. Caring-carry lang ilamig. Diba, Scarlett? Medyo sleepy na aming Scarlett. Dito muna kami tatambay sa may park. Patulogin ko muna si Scarlett kasi inaantok na siya. Pakita ko sa inyo yung view. Tingnan kung gaano kaganda yung lugar. Pinili ko talaga yung araw na to kasi alam kong aaraw. Look, oh. Ang ganda-ganda. Tingnan mo isa dito, relax mode na. Napagod kakatulak ng stroller. Scarlett. Wait, where's the bird? Where? Ha 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 ha. There's the bird. Where's the bird? Adi, di, da, ala, 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 aray, aray, da, 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 di, da, 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 da. Hala, hala, ang batang ayaw upo ng maayos sa stroller. Be careful, baby. Be careful. Ang kulit mo, ha. Ay, bubbling. Nagbabubble siya. Titing ng bebe. Tapos na kami sa Palace of the Fine Arts at papunta tayo ngayon ng Golden Gate Bridge for the closer look. At maganda daw doon ang sunset. Scarlett. Magbabas lang tayo papunta doon. It's 12 minutes ride. Tara. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Tingnan talaga itong nanay na to. Buwis buhay na naman, oh. Dito kami ngayon sa Golden Gate Bridge.
We are now at the Golden Bridge again for the closer look. Hi! Yay! Gusto na maglakad ni Scarlett, oh. Yan, binaba na dito, oh. Paano pa kami maglalakad dun mismo sa Golden Gate? Tara, lakarin Sasakyan natin yung mismong bridge. Let's go!
Nandito kami ngayon sa Golden Gate Bridge, guys. So, ayan si Baby Scarlett at si Mami, oh. Hop. Dahan-dahan lang. Ayun yung Alcatraz. Ay si Mami at si Scarlett. O, turo ko sa inyo kung nasa yung Alcatraz, ha.
Grabe, super lamig dito at super windy. Hindi na namin kinayang lakarin yung hanggang dulo ng Golden Gate Bridge kasi napakalayo niya. So hanggang dulo lang kami sa unang poste. Balik na kami sa inaantok na rin si Scarlett. Ito oh. Inaantok dahil sa lamig ng hangin. Kaya balik na tayo at umuwi na. Bye-bye! Thank you for watching, guys! Sleepy Scarlett, napagod. Tapos pupuyatin na naman kami mamaya. Bukas uuwi na tayo, anak. Sulitin mo na. Wake up! Alam nyo ba guys, most of the bus dito sa San Francisco ay pinapatakbo by electricity. Ayan no. Tingnan sa itaas. Nandun nakakonect ang electricity niya para tumakbo yung bus. May cable yan sa taas. O, ayan.
Naman sa usapan na, eh. Napag-usapan natin.
Ganda ng kulay ng downtown, no?